Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are all fine. So, today we're going to start our next chapter, which name is Our Country. Dear students, today our topic is Location and Neighbors of Pakistan. Today, our topic's objectives are to know about the area of Pakistan, location of Pakistan in Asia, neighboring countries of Pakistan, the population of the Pakistan, the religions of the Pakistan. Pakistan is a lucky country whom Almighty Allah has given a suitable physical environment. The physical environment plays an important, effective role in economic, social, cultural, and other activities of the people of a country. Pakistan is situated in the center of the Muslim world. To the west of Pakistan stretches a long chain of Muslim countries. There is another chain of Muslim countries in the east. To the north of Pakistan, there are six Muslim states recently separated from Russia. Pakistan is an ideological country. King Faisal of Saudi Arabia called Pakistan in the Lahore Summit in 1974 during his famous speech as a fortress of Islam. Introduction of Pakistan. The full name of Pakistan is Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The Pakistan is situated between 24° and 36° latitude north and 61° to 76° east longitude. Country located in the mountainous region adjoining Central Asia and the Middle East. The area of Pakistan is 7,96,095 square kilometers. Pakistan is the world's 36th largest country. It is 0.67% of total area of the world. Pakistan is situated in the continent of Asia. It is an important country of South Asia. Neighbors of Pakistan. Pakistan has four neighboring countries: Afghanistan, China, Iran, India. Pakistan shares an eastern border with India, a northeastern border with China. Iran is in the southwest of Pakistan. Afghanistan runs along its western and northern edge. In the south separates the Arabian Sea. Our close neighbor is China. China is located in the north of Pakistan. It has emerged as an important economic force in the world. It is playing an important role in the region. Silk routes connects Pakistan with China. These countries have warm relations and their friendship is strong than Himalayas. China has helped Pakistan in the development of many projects, including the defense projects. The two countries have 600-kilometer long border in common. Iran. In the west of Pakistan is Iran. The common border between Pakistan and Iran is 900 kilometers long. Pakistan and Iran have very close brotherly relations. India. In the east of Pakistan, there lies India, which has the second largest population in the world after China. It is a nuclear power too. We have not been on good terms with India since we got the freedom. Both Pakistan and India for their defense are spending a large portion of their budget on weapons of warfare. Both the countries have gone much far in the race of nuclear weapons. If war is break out now, there will be a complete destruction and nobody will gain anything. Kashmir is the main issue between India and Pakistan. Afghanistan. Afghanistan is situated to the northwest of Pakistan. The adjoining border with Afghanistan is called the Durand Line. Arabian Sea. On the southern side of Pakistan lies Arabian Sea, which is the part of Indian Ocean. Most of the trade between East and West is through Indian Ocean. So Pakistan lies on an important trade route of the world. The adjoining Muslim countries of the Persian Gulf, Iran, Kuwait, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, and Arab Emirates are linked with Pakistan through the Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea has always been the center of attention among major powers because of the importance of Persian Gulf. Karachi, Port Qasim, Pasni, Gwadar, etc. are the main important seaports of Pakistan. Population of Pakistan. The Pakistan's population is 207 million according to the 2017 census of Pakistan. Pakistan is the world's fifth most populous country. The population of Pakistan is unevenly distributed among its various provinces. Punjab is the most densely populated province with one quarter of the total land area of the country and more than half of the total population. The next most densely populated province is Sindh, with less than one-fifth of the land area and 23% of the total population. Balochistan, which is the largest province by area, has the lowest proportion of the Pakistan's total population. The population density in the country increased from 43% per square kilometer in 1951 to 106% per square kilometer in 1981 and further to around 145% per square kilometer in 1991. Pakistan's most populated areas are Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad, Rawalpindi, Multan, Gujranwala, Peshawar, Rahim Yar Khan, and Quetta. The religions of Pakistan. Pakistan is an ideological state which came into existence as a result of the demand for a separate homeland for the Muslims of the Indian subcontinent. The Muslims' majority areas were mostly carved out into Pakistan. Therefore, the large majority of the population of Pakistan is comprised of Muslims. But people of Pakistan follow different religions. Islam is the state religion of Pakistan and about 95 to 98% of Pakistanis are Muslim. Pakistan has the second largest number of Muslims in the world. The other different religions are Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Sikhism. Okay, dear students, today your home task is question number 1. Name the countries that shares a border with Pakistan. Question number 2. Which sea lies the south of Pakistan? Question number 3. Which areas of Pakistan are the most populated? Note: draw title page, mention proper chapter, name and number on your neat notebooks. Dear parents, all the main points discussed in the lecture, make sure your child listen the lecture carefully. First 3 questions discussed in the lecture. First, ask the child to draw a beautiful title page. Then ask your child to do first three questions. Make sure that spellings should be correct while writing answers. Make sure your child learns the home task on daily basis. Thank you.